Mastering polite expressions. Do you mind if, in making suggestions? Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving into a super important part of conversational English. Making suggestions politely using the phrase, "Do you mind if?" So, if you're looking to improve your ability to communicate smoothly and politely in English, you've come to the right place. In English, when we want to make a suggestion or ask for permission in a polite way, we often use the phrase, "Do you mind if?" This structure is not only formal, but also shows respect to the person you are talking to. For example, "Do you mind if I open the window?" "Do you mind if we stop for coffee on the way?" The structure is simple. "Do you mind if?" followed by the action you're suggesting. Let's explore how we can use "Do you mind if?" in different contexts. At work, "Do you mind if we discuss this tomorrow?" "Do you mind if I take a look at those reports?" Social settings. "Do you mind if I invite Sarah to the party?" "Do you mind if we choose a different restaurant?" In public places, "Do you mind if I sit here?" "Do you mind if we play some music?" As you see, this phrase is versatile and can be used in a variety of scenarios. Now, it's not just about asking. Knowing how to respond to these questions is also crucial. Here are a few examples. If you're fine with the request, you can say, "No, not at all," or "Of course not." If you're not okay with it, you might say, "Yes, I'd rather you didn't," or "Actually, I do mind." That's it for today, folks. We've explored how to use "Do you mind if?" to make suggestions politely and how to respond to such requests. Remember, being polite and respectful can make a big difference in your communication. So, keep practicing these phrases and use them in your daily conversations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning tips. Until next time, happy learning!